Hi, hello everyone. Welcome to Probability YouTube channel. In today's video, we will be seeing how to model this 3D part. And just before entering into 3D, we shall go for drawing study. So first of all, the basic necessary of creating a 3D model is to study the drawing in a very right manner. So in this case, for this object, I need to start up with this shape. So obviously I need to choose the front view as my first reference. So I'm going to start with my new file and choose MMNS part solid. Now I need to go for extrude operation, under which placement I need to define the front view. So I'm choosing front plane and sketch it. So the overall distance is 500 and the above thickness is 25. So I need to draw a line, and to make this line symmetry, draw a center line and touch the either sides of the point and touch this center line to make it symmetry. This is 500. Now draw a line. It is going slanted, it is going vertical again, and it is connected here. So this is actually 25 in height, and from here to here is 150 on either side. So I'm going to choose dimension from this to this is actually 150, and this height is 10, just because this overall height is 50, and from here it is 40. I mean, from this point to this base point is 40, so the difference between 50 and 40 is 10. So this is 10, and I shall mark this to this as 50. So my half of the sketch is over. So I need to 2D mirror at this, and I'm selecting the required lines to be mirrored and choose this mirror option, click the center line so that the entire sketch is ready now. So I'm going to click OK. So with symmetry, I'm going to extrude to 200. Okay, so this is my base part that has been acquired. Now I need to go up with this this second part, I mean this area. So for which I need to choose any one side. I'm choosing this side, and extrude option, I'm going to take this as my reference, and this vertical lines as my second and third reference, because it is aligning with it. So now we can see that this radius is actually 100, and it is going up to an height of 150 from center to the bottom of the surface. So I'm going to draw a circle, (200), and I'm going to draw a line aligning with this top surface of the part. Now I'm going to delete this unwanted segment, and I'm going to click on dimension, click the center part, and this base dimension is going to be 150. So since it is not much dependent, I shall draw the hole here itself, and that dimension is actually 100 in dia. So this is my part. As you all can see that I can find some error here, so I need to delete the circle again, and I need to draw a circle matching to it. So I shall delete this unwanted segment. So it found the closed object. Now in opposite direction, I need to go up with extrusion amount of 30. So even this part is ready. Now I need to take a slot on required areas. So I'm going for this slot first. So since there is no radius or diameter mentioned, let me take it as assumed one. So for this I'm going to select the very bottommost surface and going for extrude, but I've given only with the center to center distance of 380. So I'm going to take this plane as my reference, and for which I'm going to take a circle of radius of overall diameter is 50, and I'm going to draw a line touching the reference points. Now I'm going to delete the segment. So let me make this even. I'm going to mark it as 70. So not 70, let me make this as a weaker dimension, so that after fixing that 380, remaining is going to be this. So I'm going to select this. I'm going to select this 2D mirror against this, and now center to center distance is 380 actually. Yeah, that's it. It has got fixed. Now opposite direction, and it is going to remove the material. Now I need to remove this top surface material, so for which they have given R40, and its center to the side surface is 100 and its depth is 30. So select the top surface, go to extrude option, go for 2D view and change to hidden line. Now I am going to draw a circle. Just before drawing circle, I need to take something reference. I am getting this as my reference, and I'm going to draw a circle of radius 40, and it's obviously going to be 80, and from here I shall find it is 100. So from here to here, from this point to this point, it is 100. I need to draw a line touching the side surface. Delete unwanted segments. Now this closed loop. Then I am going to make for 30. Flip the direction so that it removes the material. So this is ready. So the complete entire part is ready as for now, and now I am going to change the material property. Under view, I am going for appearances, going for this material, choose part, scroll, double click. Now go for shading with reflections, so we can see the realistic of this material. Thank you. Please do subscribe my YouTube channel for further videos. Thank you very much.